Hello everyone, my name is David Sauter. I am a NASM certified personal trainer, and today I am here with LifeSprout Bioceuticals to talk about the top 5 ways to boost your brain power. The first thing you can do is to try meditation. Meditation has been shown in several studies to decrease stress and anxiety, as well as offset some of the risks for cognitive decline and dementia. Next, we have sleep. Sleep is very important for forming memories, and it has been shown that if you skip on sleep over the long term, you actually promote cognitive decline and interfere with memory formation. Next, start your day with a brain power smoothie. Foods like avocado and chia seeds contain plenty of healthy fats that have been shown to promote brain health. Then you have blueberries and raspberries, both of which contain antioxidants, which are very important for destroying free radicals that can interfere with brain health. Next, we have exercise or just being physically active every day. You know exercise is important for weight loss, but it's also very important for your brain health. You don't necessarily have to go to the gym every day for 2 hours. Get up, take a walk, ride a bike, do little things, get your body moving, and this has been shown, of course, to improve your brain health. Finally, consider a brain supplement, something like a nootropic. Cerebra Plus is a great example. It contains huperzine, ginkgo biloba, and St. John's wort, all of which have been shown to improve memory or help with memory formation and support cognitive health. So let us know what you thought about these tips. If you have any questions, and if you try the smoothie, please let us know what you think about it in the comments below. My name is David Sauter. I'm here with LifeSprout Bioceuticals, and today we discuss the top 5 ways to boost your brain health. Take care.